This store has made over 160,000 sales. One of their main products are funny mugs. Each mug sells for around £8.99, which means they have a revenue of around £1.4 million since they opened their store. Just imagine, by creating these simple and hilarious mugs on Etsy, some individuals earn hundreds, while others are making thousands of pounds each month. And guess what? This store is just one among many on Etsy making money from these kinds of products. There are numerous other sellers who are raking in thousands of dollars each month by offering similar funny gift mugs. Now here is the exciting part. In the past, establishing one of these funny gift stores would have been time-consuming and an expensive process. However, thanks to the powerful combination of AI and design tools such as Canva, designing and creating your own funny gifts to sell has never been quicker. But wait, there is still more amazing news. By using a print-on-demand app called Printify, which I personally just started using recently, you can do all of this for free. I love to explore ways that people can start making money online and not have to worry about paying heavy fees. I absolutely adore this business model because anyone can get started by following these simple instructions. You can learn how to utilize AI and Canva alongside Printify to start an online business without any hidden subscription costs. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's dive straight into this video. So now, what exactly is this business and how much profit can it actually generate? To explain how this business model works and its potential earnings, let's find out more about Etsy. If you're unfamiliar with Etsy, it's a very popular online marketplace where you can list items for sale. The website gains tremendous traffic with around 470 million visits each month. Each year, customers spend billions on products listed for sale on Etsy, with gifts being among the best-selling item category. For instance, consider this funny gift mug. If we were to estimate the revenue based on the number of reviews this product has, which will be less than the amount of actual sales, we can see that it has generated £680 in revenue. This is just taking into account the sales from the number of reviews. The actual number will be much higher. And take a look at this hilarious gift mug, which we can estimate to have made over £5,900 based on the same formula. Similarly, this funny mug, perfect for Father's Day, has made over £7,700 in total. Etsy enjoys immense popularity, as do the mugs being sold there. However, most people will be thinking, I can't do this because I'm not a designer and I don't know how to make these mug designs. But don't worry, because you don't need to have any art skills or have any expensive tools to get the designs onto the actual mug. Instead, you can easily turn to print-on-demand apps like Printify. Printify has a variety of items which you can easily customize, including various mug options. Just upload your design onto it, which I will show you how to create using Canva, featuring a joke generated by ChatGPT. Then you can simply put your mug for sale on Etsy thanks to the Printify Etsy integration they have. Each time someone purchases a mug from your store, Printify will take care of the manufacturing, packaging, and shipping, while you get to keep the profit. So you can do this all for completely free. Anyone can start a mug business. The next question you might be thinking is, what are the actual profits that we get to keep? This is a great question. Obviously, if you're starting a business, you need to figure out how much profit you're making to make it worthwhile. On Printify, mugs can be purchased for as little as $5.59, including shipping. These figures are in dollars since Printify is an American company. If we were to sell our mug for $9.50, the estimated profit margin after fees and costs would be around 40%. You must also remember that Printify doesn't only offer mugs, they have hundreds of different products available. In this video, I'm going to be using mugs as an example, but it's just one of the many products you can choose to sell. You could sell t-shirts, candles, notebooks, or posters, for example. Consider this funny gift mug priced at $11.77. According to the number of reviews, 131, and the price of a mug on Printify being around $5.59, we can estimate the profit for this mug to be at least $800. And this is just one of the many designs on the store. Imagine creating hundreds of them. Now I know that some of you will be thinking that there are loads of mugs on Etsy and you won't be able to make this much profit as a new store, and that is definitely true. The reason I'm sharing this video is because I want to show you what's possible. I don't know about you, but I'm always motivated to try something new and I see other people accomplishing what I want. I think to myself, hey, maybe I could try to learn how to do it too. Now let's head over to ChatGPT to generate funny phrases specifically for mugs for us to sell at no cost. But before I do that, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It would absolutely make my day, and thank you to everyone who is already subscribed. Okay, now back to the video. Here's how it works. While ChatGPT will be really important for this process, you will also have to put in some effort. ChatGPT is not always the most reliable, so you will have to use your common sense and research along with ChatGPT's vast knowledge and create a highly profitable product to sell. So firstly, you should log into ChatGPT and prompt it to generate 10 or 20 funny phrases or jokes related to a specific niche or customer. I recommend selecting a niche that has the potential to attract free traffic on Etsy. The goal is to get started making money for free and not to have to use any ads, so we will utilize Etsy's free traffic. To figure this out, you can head over to Etsy and begin searching for products in your chosen niche. For example, when I search for mugs for doctors, I'm presented with over 20,000 results. Similarly, if I search for mugs for math teachers, there are less results, but still in the thousands. However, when I search for mugs for PE teachers, there are significantly less results compared to the other two. This tells me that there is potential to create a profitable product and there are fewer results for this niche. So now we must think about ways to stand out from the competition on Etsy. Because like all popular online marketplaces, there are a lot of sellers you need to compete with. The simple answer is create products for a niche with low competition. Don't try to copy other people's designs that are selling well. Instead, find low competition niches like this one and create your own unique products. So back to ChatGPT. I asked it to generate 10 funny phrases about PE teachers to use on mugs. You should also look at the best-selling mugs relating to your niche and try to create a similar style mug. For me, I like this one, PE teachers making schools a sweaty adventure since, well, forever. Since it was short and sweet. This is the incredible power of AI. I can easily find a niche joke without doing any work whatsoever. Honestly, ChatGPT is such a powerful tool if you know how to use it well. Also, you don't even need to get the paid version of ChatGPT. I use the free version in this video. Now let's proceed with setting up a free Etsy store to sell our new products. I'm still going to be sticking with the mugs example. You will need to register for an Etsy account and choose a store name, then you can create a free Printify account. I will leave the link of Printify in the description so you can start your free trial today. Then link your Printify account to your Etsy store using the integration they have. This will make it so easy for you to start selling your products on Etsy. It's very beginner friendly in my opinion. Alright, now we can design our products using Canva. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on mugs. So start by clicking the Start Designing button and then you'll be taken to the design screen. Then click the Download Design Template button to get a template file that has the printing area for your product. Now head over to Canva and create a canvas with the same dimensions as the printing size of the product. Now you must create the design on Canva. It took me around 3 minutes to create this design. So experiment with Canva's different features such as the lines, colors, and even icons if you wish. Make sure to also use a good readable font. Once the design is complete, click Share and then the Download button. You should usually save your designs with a transparent background. This feature is only available for Canva Pro users. However, you can still remove the background online by using a free online tool such as Lunapic. Once that is complete, return to Printify to upload your design you created. you can use the preview feature to make sure it looks good. Remember that customers online usually purchase products if it tends to look good to them. Once you are happy with the look, simply add the product to your Etsy store. Congratulations, it's now live and anyone on Etsy can buy it. Each time someone purchases your mug, Printify's shop will handle the production and shipping, and automatically they will get the product. If you can attach a credit card to Printify, then do it because you can take advantage of a fantastic opportunity for free. This is the system in a nutshell. When a customer purchases an item, Printify shop will charge your credit card the basic fees of the item, i.e. the production and shipping costs. You then get 4 weeks to pay off your credit card without incurring any interest charges. Etsy pays you the funds that customers pay every single Monday, so it's on a weekly basis. You can use the money you receive from Etsy to then completely pay off the credit card fees for the products that you have sold. The best part is that you get to keep the difference as profit, essentially making it a free income stream. This sounds cool, right? Did this video help you learn something? If it did, I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. In this video's description, you'll find all the links to the various apps that I used, various websites I mentioned throughout the video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.